This is the HYPOACE 3.5 liter electric kitchen composter. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. And it came packaged great, all packed in styrofoam, arrived safely. And inside the package, you're going to get the composter itself and the instructions, and that's it. Easy to read. It comes pretty much ready to go right out of the box. You just have to take the tape off of the dual layer carbon filters, and there are two of them. One here, and when you open the lid, there's one right here. You're either gonna need fingernails or something to pull these filters out, and there's tape over the top of them, and I would suggest going pretty slowly, just to make sure you don't have any residual tape left on over there. So that's the top filter, and the bottom one just comes out like this. And there's a little lever on here, and you just pull it out, and you can see it doesn't matter which way you put it in. I'm putting it in like this so that the lever flips down, just makes it easier for me to grab. Then you just plug it in and you're ready to go. Let's go around the unit and then I will show you how easy this thing is to use. You can see, first of all, it's a good looking machine. This weight goes with pretty much anything. There's actually a couple handles on the side right here. The machine itself weighs in at just over 16 pounds. It's about the size of one of those larger Ninja air fryers. The machine is about 13 inches tall, about 13 inches from front to back, 10.5 inches from side to side. And I will show you some pics with some of the appliances that I have in my kitchenette counter, just so you can get an idea what the size of it is. It has a 6-foot 3-prong cable on here, so there's plenty of reach with a cable that size. I like that. And you can see that it has 4 rubber feet on the bottom. So as you can see, it is sized right for a kitchen counter or cabinet or wherever you will be doing your composting. All right, it is super easy to use. Just press the button on the front right here. The lid pops open. We just place our scraps inside of the bucket here. Got all kinds of stuff going on. Pretty much got a small load in there, but I just wanted to show you that. And this bucket itself holds up to 3.5 liters. This metal bucket, you can see that there's some bolts on the front. When you put this back into the unit itself, you want to make sure you line those bolts up to this cutout right here. And it just sits into place. Nice little handle for all that. Got a rubber grip on there, perfect. There are sharp reinforced blades at the bottom here to handle the tougher stuff. So once you get it loaded up, you just close the lid and you turn on the power by holding the power button for about 2 seconds. 1.5 seconds. The LED screen on the top here makes everything easy to read. It might not come out so great with the lighting that I have, but it's easy to read on my side. And it also makes it really easy to understand. Over here on the left, we have the volume. That's the size of the stuff that you're composting in here. We got low, medium, and high. I've got a small load in there, so I'm going to put it on low. And we have quick, standard, and ferment. Depending on the mode and the size you have, that's going to give you the amount of hours that this thing runs. For instance, on low and quick mode, 2.5 hours. Low and standard modes, 4.5 hours. Low and ferment mode is 12 hours. I'm going to run this on low and quick mode, and I'm going to check it in about 1.5 hours. We'll see what happens. So you just press the start button, and it goes, and you can hear it. It's grinding, doing its thing in there. It's not terribly loud at all. There isn't really much of an odor until you open the lid. And I've gone just a little over 1.5 hours right now, and I want to show you the results because this actually came out really good. Let me show you. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that actually came out really well. I suppose I could go a little longer. I'm going to experiment with it. I'm totally happy with using that as compost. It's got one little onion peel or something in there that didn't go, but totally happy with that. And there we go. That's what my small little load of compost looks like. Pretty much looks like dirt. Came out good. You can see some of these onion peels didn't go, but that's okay. I'll just throw this in the garden. I think it looks great. Perfect. 1.5 hours. So there you go. A nice looking, quiet, plug and play countertop composter for your kitchen, your cabinet, wherever you're going to put it. Effortless composting. Very nice.